Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BRETT 2.0 token. Now this token was created on Moonshot. It's trending #1 right now in the base section on Dex Screener. Very popular project today, just came out 4 hours ago. And it's already up 766%. And we're going to go over the BRETT 2.0 token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen right here. At BRETT2_CTO. Now it says CTO there, which is short for community takeover, and that usually means the dev has abandoned the project and it's totally run by the community. But if you go to if you go to Dex Screener, I don't see a community takeover claim there, and that's usually where they put it. But you know, maybe it is run by the community. It's hard to tell unless there is an actual community takeover claim there. Now their webpage, BRETT2onbase.org, has all sorts of links, Warpcast, Twitter, Telegram, contract address, Dex tools, Dex Screener chart, Uniswap link, base scan, you know, all the links are basically on their webpage. You can easily find them there. So if you're looking to get this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store base tokens. So a Coinbase wallet would be fitting, but you could also use a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet. You could use any one of those wallets you could download from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund that wallet with ETH and then bridge it to Base, or you could fund your wallet directly with Base from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could find down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Base, go into the dApps, you'd find Uniswap, and using the contract address you could find right there on their Twitter, you would trade your Base for the BRETT 2.0 token, and their Twitter is at BRETT2_CTO. That's where you can easily find the contract address. Same with their webpage as well. And you may have to set slippage actually. Let me check to see if there's taxes here. So they have a couple quick audits. We're going to look at those in a second, but it says 0% buy and sell taxes. You won't have to set slippage. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees when buying tokens off Uniswap. So their Twitter here, 603 posts already, blue verified checkmark. Says the only 2.0 narrative to thrive on Base. BRETT 2.0 is the chosen second chance. And, you know, the BRETT token on Base is very popular. You know, Pepe's on ETH. Then we got Landwolf, Bird Dog, Andy, like tons of other ones. But you know, since BRETT is normally blue, the 2.0 is yellow, but the original BRETT is blue, Base is blue, so BRETT is like the unofficial official mascot of the Base chain, you know, especially in regards to Matt Fury characters. Now they have 1,965 tweets. They joined in April 2024, and their webpage here has tons of info on there. It says, after making waves on Base, as a fan tribute, BRETT 2.0 now offers a renewed opportunity for financial freedom. Join us as we ascend to new heights with BRETT, bringing wealth and opportunity to those who have previously missed out. The only 2.0 narrative to thrive on Base, BRETT 2.0 is the chosen second chance, is a community-driven token. We believe you deserve this golden ticket. Now their mission to Mars here, it says BRETT 2.0 was born. Community takeover, milestones, Hit, Brett creates based hangouts on X. Community survives bear market. Priority listing on CoinMarketCap. Surprise airdrops for Pepe 2 and Brett holders. Aerodrome listing. More surprise airdrops. NFT launch. So that's coming up Q1 2025. Central exchange listings. 1 billion market capitalization. So it says LP locked for 70 years, contract renounced, 17% supply burnt. And yeah, so they have the based hangout information on their webpage. So in their pinned tweet, it says, "Hello, Golden community. We have some exciting news to reinvigorate our beloved Golden Boy. We're going to relaunch BRETT 2.0 for a few reasons, and here's why." So I guess this came out in April before, and now they're relaunching it. It says, "Renewed vitality and hype. We have plenty of content, custom artwork, custom animations for relaunch. We will bring new life to BRETT 2.0, a fresh contract with no security flags. No matter how many times we've reached out to Go Plus, we can't get them to remove certain security flags, so we'll rectify these in the new contract." So speaking of that, let's go to their audit here. So on their audit, there's actually no warnings. If you go to DEX Screener, they have a Go Plus and Quick Intel security audit, and there is no issues on there whatsoever. They do have a token sniffer score, though, of 80 out of 100, so just be aware that that is not a perfect token sniffer score. Today they have a 24-hour trading volume of $241,000, and the token just came out 4 hours ago. Trending number 1, they have been doing marketing boosts on DEX Screener. It says 600 lightning bolts ads button there. They have a market cap of $812,000, and that's also their fully diluted valuation. They have liquidity here, $102,000 worth of liquidity in Uniswap, and 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned, according to DEX Screener, so that's great to see as well. You can follow their Telegram at BRETT2.0 CTO, 668 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project. If you go to their webpage, at the very bottom of their webpage, they have different artworks. They have a meme generator, all sorts of different BRETT 2.0 pictures that you can kind of like share and chill out on your socials. But yeah, go check this token out. Super popular, trending number 1 right now on DEX Screener. And yeah, let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.